Morning, bro chachos. So my shed's a bit of a shit show at the moment. And yeah, I've been a bit too lazy to clean it. I've had that many little projects on. Today is another project. So Shazza the other day mentioned she wanted to get some hanging baskets for an area. And the hanging baskets she's bought in the past have been crap. Bunnings hanging baskets, they last, probably one season. So I thought I'd make something pretty fancy schmancy. So I'm actually going to make hanging baskets out of pallet wood, all free. I think the only cost will be a couple of cents in glue. That's it. So it's a good little project. Shazza's a good old duck. And when she drops a hint, it normally means that she's going to get what she mentioned. So before she gets it, I want to knock up some hanging baskets and surprise her with a nice little gift. I'm going to do 4 and hope they turn out, and I hope she's stoked. So most of my woodworking ideas come from the YouTube University. So I'm no carpenter. I just steal ideas from other people, like most people on YouTube, but they won't admit it. So if you think for a second that I'm some kind of a woodworker, you'd be wrong. So what I do is I see things that I like and I go, I can build that. And then I just steal the ideas from someone on YouTube who's already stole it from someone else on YouTube, who then has stole it from somebody else on YouTube. So nothing's unique. Sometimes when I cook, because I cook for Shazza 4 nights a week, I go on YouTube and I have a look at recipes and I go, oh, I can cook that. And then I'll have a scan and I'll see the same recipe done by somebody else. And then I'll see it done by somebody else. Exactly the same ingredients over and over. So YouTube is essentially just regurgitated things done over and over and over again, stolen ideas. And yeah, I mean, I've known that for a long time. So I'm just putting it out there that 90% of the things I do woodworking are not unique. Simple as that. So I'm no great woodworker. I steal ideas like everyone else. And I don't expect credit for it because I'm just doing what's already been done. But if I ever do something unique in carpentry, I'll certainly let you know.
Hey everyone, spring is finally here, so it's the perfect time to kick off a new outdoor project.
So I've cut 4 of these squares, and these are going to be the base of the hanging basket. And I just happened to pick hardwood. This stuff is really heavy. everything didn't go as planned, but the end result is still pretty good. So I think Shazza's going to be happy. I'm going to make tea tonight, and I'm going to, when she gets home, I'm going to be out here and I'll video her reaction, because she's been wanting hanging plants. I hope she doesn't go, oh, what the hell is that piece of... I hope not. Let me know what you think, and yeah, I think it looks all right, and it cost me nothing. I had old chain left over, and the timber is pallet wood, hard wood. Check it out.
Hello. Did you make them? Oh, cool. Very cute.
Brochachos, I'm not trying to be husband of the year, but I think today's effort has put me in the running. Us men often listen with our eyes, but on the rare occasions when our better half says something, our ears prick up like a child when the ice cream truck is within 3 suburbs. And the key word she said was hanging baskets. So I scanned YouTube to see if I could build some sweet hanging baskets for my lady. And her reaction was all I needed. Like I said, I'm no carpenter, I'm not even a good woodworker, but sometimes I'm a good listener, and that's all it takes sometimes. Anyway, brochachos, adios amigos, I'll catch you on the next one. Remember, happy wife, happy life.